Welcome to this lesson on Advanced Accounting Equation. I'm CPA Paul Gaido. Kindly remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel, Treatise of Accounting Information Systems. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the basic accounting equation and advanced accounting equation. In a previous lesson, we learned about 6 elements of accounting information. We also learned that assets, liabilities, and equity shows financial position of an entity, while revenue, expenses, and drawings shows financial performance of an entity. The basic accounting equation is based on the 3 elements of accounting information that shows financial position of an entity. That is, assets, liability, and equity. Assets are expected to have a debit balance, hence presented on the left side of the accounting equation, while liabilities and equity are expected to have a credit balance, hence presented on the right side of the accounting equation. Accounting equation shows that total asset is equal to summation of total liabilities and owner's equity. The accounting equation results from double entry bookkeeping system. The accounting equation is presented in a trial balance as well as the balance sheet of an entity. Balance sheet shows financial position of an entity. It shows assets on one position and financing elements, that is, equity and liability, on the other position. Total assets equals to total financing. In our previous lesson, we also learned that equity comprises of introduced capital, that is paid up capital, and institutional capital, that is retained earnings. Retained earnings depend on the financial performance of an entity. Financial performance of an entity is determined by revenues, expenses, and drawings. When you take total revenues, you less total expenses, you get total profits of an entity. Total profits less total drawings or total dividends, you get retained earnings. Therefore, institutional capital is the retained earning that has been accumulated over the entire life of an entity. The basis for advanced accounting equation is that in a trial balance, summation of dividends, expenses, and asset is equals to summation of liabilities, equity, and revenue. We also know that equity comprises of paid up capital and retained earnings. Retained earnings are derived from total revenues less total expenses less total dividends. Therefore, in advanced accounting equation, asset is equals to liabilities plus paid up capital plus revenue less expenses and less dividends. An advanced accounting equation shows all the 6 elements of accounting information, that is, asset, liability, equity, revenue, expenses, and dividends. The difference between the basic accounting equation and the advanced accounting equation is that on advanced accounting equation, equity is split into 2, that is, paid up capital and institutional capital. Institutional capital is derived from total revenue less total expenses less total dividends. The components of equity, that is, paid up capital and institutional capital, are normally presented in a statement of changes in equity. Advanced accounting equation is presented in a balance sheet whereby equity is split into share capital, retained earnings, and reserves. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Kindly remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Treatise of Accounting Information Systems. Like this video, leave a comment and share with others.